You're cruising through Night City, feeling like a legend when suddenly your screen freezes with dreaded Flatlined error pops up, and your immersion shatters. It's incredibly frustrating when Night City decides to flatline you, but don't worry, because today we're going to break down exactly what causes this infamous Cyberpunk error, and more importantly, how to fix it so you can get back to being a true Legion. When Cyberpunk tells you it's flatlined, it's essentially its dramatic way of saying the game has crashed due to an unhandled error. Think of it like your character in the game taking critical damage and needing a total system reboot. This error can stem from a variety of sources, from system resource overload to driver conflicts, and it's not always a sign that your is on its last legs. It's just the game encountering something it couldn't gracefully recover from, forcing an abrupt shutdown. More often than not, the flatline error can be traced back to a few key culprits. The most common offender is often outdated or corrupt graphics drivers, especially given how graphically intensive Night City can be. Another big one is conflicting software or mods. If you're running a heavily modded game, issues can pop up unexpectedly. Sometimes it's even simpler, like the game files themselves becoming corrupted, or your system just struggling with memory management. All right, so you've flatlined. What do you do first? The easiest and most crucial step is to verify your game files through your launcher, or whether it's Steam, God, or Epic Games. This often fixes minor corruptions. Next, make absolutely sure your graphics drivers are up to date, as new game patches often require the latest drivers for optimal performance. A quick system restart can also work wonders, clearing out any temporary memory hiccups. Don't overlook these simple steps, as they solve the problem more often than you'd think. If the quick fixes don't get you back on your feet, it's time to dig a little deeper. Consider doing a clean installation of your graphics drivers using a tool like do to ensure no old files are causing conflicts. It's also worth monitoring your coolant temperatures. Overheating can definitely trigger crashes, especially in a demanding game like Cyberpunk. Finally, try disabling any in-game overlays from Discord, GeForce Experience, or even Steam, as these can sometimes interfere with game stability and cause unexpected flatlings.